Hello, I'm Mr. Veysi Veysi. I'm a consultant orthopaedic surgeon specializing in hip and knee surgery. I know the limitations that joint pain can create in your life. It's my passion to help people like you to get back to doing the things that you love. For over 20 years, I've been focused on a patient-centered approach, and my goal is to find the best solution for you. I've had the privilege of performing over 7,000 successful hip and knee replacements. I also have a large revision joint replacement practice where I assess and treat patients with failed knee or hip replacements. I offer advanced techniques including robotic-assisted surgery to deliver the best possible outcomes. In fact, I was the first surgeon in West Yorkshire to use the Veysi robotic knee system, which is the latest robotic system. This technology allows for incredible precision. It can lead to a faster recovery and better, long-lasting results. Whether you need a partial or total knee, total hip replacement, or assessment of a failed joint replacement, I will be with you every step of the way. I invite you to take the first step. You can book a consultation at Spire Leeds, Spire Harrogate, and the Nuffield Hospital in Leeds. We can work together to help you regain your mobility and get back to a life without pain.